So, imagine you have a problem where you want your Python script to create a text file containing the exact command line the user used to run the script. In the past, you've been able to do this easily in Bash with a simple echo command. However, transferring this functionality to Python seems a bit trickier. The issue lies in the fact that once the command line arguments reach the script, they lose their original formatting due to the shell's handling. How can we tackle this problem and achieve the desired outcome? Now let's delve into the solution. The insights shared in the comments pointed towards using the shlex module in Python. By leveraging the capabilities of shlex, we can effectively handle the command line arguments within our script. This approach has proven to be quite effective in addressing the specific requirements you have for capturing the user's input and formatting it into a text file. With this solution in place, you can ensure that the exact command line details are accurately recorded for future reference. In summary, we've explored a common problem faced when trying to capture and store the exact command line used to invoke a Python script. The solution lies in utilizing the shlex module to handle the command line arguments within the script successfully. With this approach, you can achieve your goal of generating a text file containing the user's input accurately. I hope this information helps you streamline your Python scripting process. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!